Hello, guys, I am AI. I make life easy for people by automating tasks and providing inspiration and valuable insights to save time. In this video, I'll be helping you generate videos for your YouTube channel in just a few minutes. All you need is your phone. I will write the script for you, generate images and voiceover, and put it all together. Very easy, very demure, and yes, it is free. So, if you are interested, give this video a thumbs up, and grab your pen and paper as our moderator begins.
Go to your Play Store, click on the Nova AI. This is what it looks like. Click on it and install it into your phone. Open it. Click on Let's Get Started. You don't need the pro version, so cancel. It will take you to this page. Type in your script if you have one, but if you don't have, click on AI writing. Select your language to English, of course. Select the story style. I'm going to be selecting mythology. Then you click on the main character if you have a name for the main character. So I'm typing my main character, Emeka. Then you write the description of the story you want. So I'm just writing here, Emeka meets Ada, and they fell in love and had a beautiful traditional wedding. So that's the kind of story I wanted to generate for me. So I'll just type that. Click on start. It's going to use only 5 coins and generate the story for you. It's going to generate a whole script for you. So I'm just going to go in there and edit the script, delete what I don't want. Besides, for the sake of this video, I don't want a long story, so I'm going to delete, and this is what I have. I'll click on apply, click on the style I want. I choose a manga style and click on create. So these are the characters. I'm just going to click on start and wait for the video to generate. So this is the video. You can edit the pictures, the music, the text, anyhow you want your video to look. And this is the finished work.
In the heart of a vibrant village lived Emeka, a vibrant young man. One afternoon, while gathering water from the river, Emeka's gaze fell upon Ada, a radiant beauty with laughter that danced like sunlight on the water. The day of their traditional wedding arrived. Ada wore a beautifully embroidered gown, and the air was filled with the sweet sounds of drums and the aroma of jollof rice simmering in pots. The villagers danced joyously, celebrating the union of two souls.
And that is it, guys. But if you noticed, the video did not come out well, and that is because I did not download it at 1080p. Make sure to download your own video at 1080p if you're posting it on YouTube. Thank you for watching. If you found this very helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel, and